Good morning. This is how I did the Theranos box. So what I've done is I've actually put a cube in there on the Cinema 3D platform, 4D platform. So this is actually a graphics animation program. So you got the X, Y, and Z playing physics, but in mathematics fields. So what I've done is I've added target lighting. The box is inside there, and I've actually entered the Voronoi fracture, which allows it to break it apart. So that's on that one. I've added target lighting, so it just gives the allure of the look without lighting up everything. Anyways, so this is just on how to save it. So this is that. And we have to render it. So that's MP4. And now what I'm going to do is click on render and click on yes. And it's starting to calculate all of the frames. So if we put it center in the frame there, this is how I actually do it. So you notice how it's moving. That's actually a 3D camera animation that I've actually done for this as well. So there's a lot to go into this project that I'm doing for BCM 113, and it's an amazing project. See how it's cracked at the seams already? It's meant to be a metaphor about the company was already cracked at the seams, so that's what it means in that part there. So this is a bit of a lengthy process, and once it's finished, I will show you on what it actually does. But I'll let you just see on how it calculates for about a minute, but then I'll show you when it's finished. Okay, it's come near the end of the rendering, as you can see, the frames, and so it's actually come back to Theranos falling apart. So that's a 3D animation of it all. Yeah, so that's the animation there, and I'll show you where it's actually saved to on the desktop here. Look at my desktop. Even my old film teacher used to say, "Jeremy, your desktop's atrocious." Now, go into the MP4, and we have to load up this one. So, quit out of that first, and then brings up this. So, sorry. Then starts this one. This is the player. See how it starts like that? See how it goes? See how it goes? See how it's already cracked? See how it's giving that illusion? Then it's mending closely together again. See how it's structuring itself, building, building, building. And then it's building, building more. And you notice how this actually comes into the narration part, and then it slowly comes apart again, and then bang. So that is my thing in my proof for the project. Anyways, well, thanks.